The Dusky Moorhen is a medium-sized, dark, grey-black, water bird with a red bill and a red facial shield. Besides Australia, it is also encountered in Southeast Asia and India. Normally it is seen in wetlands together with the Purple Swamp Hen and the Eurasian Coot. Feeds on algae, water plants and grasses, as well as seeds, fruits, molluscs, and other invertebrates. During the breeding season, the Dusky Moorhen forms breeding groups of 2 to 7 birds, with all members defending territory, building nests, and looking after young. Their dedication to breeding and the care of the young is notorious. The nests are made of reeds and other water plants over water, among reeds, floating platforms, or as in this case over a tree stump on water. 2 or more females will lay their eggs in the same nest, and all members of the group help to incubate the eggs and feed and care the young. Enjoy the images.